Good afternoon, everybody. We are back Monday afternoon. Things are looking okay right now. Not horrible, not terrible, but not amazing either. We've got Pika Power first in the chat. What's going on, Pika Power? John J. Alvarez, how you doing, man? AR, Pika, Kalani, Pika, Kalani. Crypto Rocketeer, what's up? Not my stocks. Not mine either, Crypto Rocketeer. Kalani, 3-month member chat. Thank you very much for the 3-month member chat. 3 months, Brosefino. Swear it feels longer. It does. It does, Kalani. Feels like a lot longer, man. Hello again, Crypto Rocketeer, Pika Power. What's going on? Let's see what we got going on over in the market right now. We've got AMC sitting at 1736 right now, still 3.75% in the red. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting at 24.88. GameStop still at 140.11, down 7% on the day. We got Farmy almost at break even right here, 1257, 1259 is the break even level. The NASDAQ, look at this stupid NASDAQ was up basically the entire time that we were not on live. Then it turns around and runs back down, and it's sitting back down 0.67% lower, right where it was when we took off this morning. So clearly the NASDAQ not wanting to go any higher today. Prog sitting at 98.5 cents. We've got Farming, like I say, down 0.2 of a cent today. Okay, we got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba kind of turning course here and moving a little bit higher on the day. Sundial is doing better than it was earlier. Not too much action in Sundial today, but sitting at 53.43 after giving up a little bit of a gain earlier. Mullen Auto still down 17% on the day, sitting at $1.79 right now. CEI up 20%, almost 21% of the day. The SPY down 0.5% right now. BBIG up 2.5%, and Highcroft Mining down roughly 10%, sitting at $1.81 right now. So we're going to see what goes on towards the end of the day here. But we've got Devil's Advocate member chat for 9 months. Tidies, man. Tidies. We got some tidies in the chat. Devil's Advocate, thank you very much for the member chat. 9 months, man. I love it. Devil's Advocate, thank you very much for that. Keeping that green name. Heck yeah, that's what it's all about, everybody. We got a lot of people coming up on a year now. This is getting very interesting. We need a pump. Ken, we do need a pump, man. Congrats, Devil's Advocate. Yes, thanks, Pika. Tidies. Yeet tidies, man. I don't know. Tidies are fun. Tidies are fun, aren't they? So we got Farming turning back in the green. Yes, AMC still in the red, but we got a green candle right here, up 10 cents from where it was just a second ago. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 24.88. GameStop 140.33, and not too much else going on over there. It's all right. Hopefully we have a very strong close. That's what I want to see. Congratulations, Devil's Advocate. Yes, on the 9th month. It is beautiful. I love all those rainbow apes over there. Evening, folks. Happy Caddy. Good evening to you. Glad to have you in here. Almost a year. Spider Claude getting ridiculous. How many people are going to be coming up on that year-long member badge here pretty soon? I wonder who the first person to turn is going to be. That's going to be interesting to see who turns first. Very, very interesting. I think we got these green candles because the NASDAQ, posting a couple green candles here. So we can see the NASDAQ posting a green candle along with AMC. GameStop's got a green candle. Shiba Inu coin, I know, not following the NASDAQ, but got green candles nonetheless. Farmy sitting right here at break even on the day, trying to string together 2 green candles. Hopefully it gets it. Sundial got some green candles right now, sitting at 53.43, but CEI, gainer of the day, man. CEI sitting at $1.05. It was 80 cents earlier. Closed at 80 cents, I believe, on Thursday, right? Let's see where it closed. Like 85 cents, man. Not bad at all. Some super gains in CEI today. I don't know if anybody out there is in CEI, but if you are, congratulations. The gains are looking delicious. Evening, folks. Saw that. I'm gonna cancel mine in 11 months so the new kids can always have that optimism and to get a year before me. Hashtag blessed. There you go, man. There you go. All you new kids out there. We have not. When is the last green name that we've had? Does anybody remember the last green name? Was it Zachary? Like, who got the last green name? It's been a while since somebody grabbed a green name. So I don't even know who it was. Man, Farmy getting hit at the end of the day here, going back down to 1250. That is the daily low. Retesting some intraday and all-time lows here. I'm telling you, if it closes at 1250, that is going to be an all-time low close. ahead of what should be an announcement that they will not be doing a reverse split and are almost going to be forced to do a buyback. So very interesting that we got this sell-off here with 263,000 shares being traded in this minute right here. Very hard to believe that there was such a huge sell-off right here. Interesting fact that we are losing 250,000 shares right there. AMC, on the other hand, AMC is bouncing up to 1742, Shiba Inu coin 2492, and GameStop sitting sideways down there 7%. A lot of shares being traded here in the last couple minutes. 263,000 shares here and 187,000 shares in the very next minute. We got 400,000 shares being traded just in a 2-minute period there. Very interesting that there's that many shares going on. The last significant green name was Pika. Pika? Yes, Mike Harris grabbed a green name last Tuesday. Mike Harris grabbing one on last... Pika Power remembers this stuff. Pika's remembering everything. Oh my goodness, I don't know how she does that. Mike Harris, last green name. If you're in here right now, congratulations, Pika remembers. Speaking of the Batman, it was the new Batman movie. It's on HBO Max as of today. Interesting. I do not have HBO Max, but if you guys do and you want to watch it, there you go. Crypto Racketeer. Oh no! One of Cristiano Ronaldo's newborn twins passed away. Oh my gosh, dude, that is horrific. Crypto Racketeer. That's just really sad, man. When did he have twins? Like how new are they? God, that would be tragic. My goodness. Poof like magic. I appear like Penn and Teller. Shredder. What is that show? Fooled Us? Is it called Fooled Us? And then you get that FU award? Fooled Us? I think that's what it is. Pika Power knows. Pika Power's got like a little spreadsheet that she keeps track of everybody. So Happy Caddy, you might be right. Pika Power is keeping track of everything out there. What an interesting, and by interesting, I mean non-interesting close we got going into here. I would love for some bullish action, but if we look on the daily, man, AMC's having a very difficult day today. We've got Farmy having a very difficult... Farmy's been stringing together more reds than AMC has. My goodness, looking terrible over there. And GameStop stringing together a bunch of reds as well. Yes, GameStop is having a very difficult day. Shiba Inu coin, very, very difficult. Last couple of months trading sideways on Shiba Inu coin right now. Not a ton of action there. GameStop trying to get some green candles into the close. Good deal. Hopefully all of this stuff gets some green candles into the close here. We just need a little bit of optimism. My goodness, I'm sick of the red. Devil's Advocate, are you excited about Prague like me? He just annoyed it. Oh my gosh, just announced it today. Man, Crypto Racketeer, that really is sad, man. It really is. I'll show you an interesting clothes. Gestures at my new shirt. Nice, man. You guys want to see some? You want to see some interesting clothes? Yeah, right here, man. This shirt right here is interesting clothes. I don't know how many are all retracted. D-Colas. Why would you retract that message? I was just about to read it. Bro, you buying anything right now? AMC Shiba. You mean am I adding to my positions right now? No, I haven't added any positions in a while. So, I'm not actively buying at the moment. I do have very little buying power left. I'm basically 100% invested right now. So, yeah, I'm not actively buying if that's what you're asking. But I do own AMC and Shiba at the moment. Yes, I do have both of those announced. Yeah, man. That is... Oh, that is tragic. I've seen some kids pass away before. It's one of the most... It's like the most horrific thing that there is. Shredder, always hype for Prague. However, clears my throat and fights back tears. I'm significantly less invested than I used to be since I lost a lot of my portfolio in calls last week that expired 0. Yeah, I actually had some Ford calls that expired worthless last week too. When Shiba will hit 10 cents, D-Colas. Going to be very difficult for Shiba Inu coin to hit 10 cents. I'm not going to lie. It is not going to be easy to watch it hit a $50 trillion valuation. That is going to be very difficult to get, if ever. Good news is GameStop and AMC are both running up into the close right now. AMC sitting at 1751, getting some strong action going into the close, as well as the NASDAQ. What is going on with this strong close right now? This is the last power, not hour, but power 5 minutes that we've got going on here. AMC, the NASDAQ, and GameStop all going on a little jog here into the close. Oh my gosh. AMC, very volatile close. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to settle at $17.84. If it does, that was a very wild swing into the close there. 17.84, and it is sitting at 17.54 after hours right now. So we will have to keep our eye on this candle for AMC right here. If that is the case, that was a very wild close, and it is sitting down 2.5% after hours, back down at 17.41. I would imagine it does not settle at 17.84, so we'll have to see that. GameStop closing at 141.11, and after hours sitting at 141.80 right now. The Nasdaq closed at 13,333,338. Very interesting close on the Nasdaq there with all of these threes. I mean, if it closed at 33,333,333, that would have been even weirder. We've got Prague closing the day at 99 cents, sitting at $1.01 after hours. Farmy closed at an all-time low, 12.58, currently sitting at 12.58 after hours, 1/100th of a cent lower than the previous close. So basically a doji candle on the day here. Basically a doji candle. Well, no, because it opened up lower, I guess, or opened up higher and then moved down a little bit. Otherwise, it would have been a doji, but closing right where it closed at on Friday, 1/100th of a cent lower there. So, very interesting. We're going to have to see if we get some after-hours news on Farmy about that reverse split deal. We have crypto turning green. Sundial sitting at 53.56 right now. I can't believe this candle here. Mullen Auto closed at $1.84, and Mullen Auto is sitting 0.5% lower after hours at $1.83. CEI closed the day at $1.05, currently sitting at $1.05. The SPY closed up 0.04% today and is sitting up 0.05% after hours. SPY actually went on a nice little run to close the day slightly higher. The BBIG closed the day higher, 2.87%, and is currently sitting almost 1% higher after hours. And Highcroft Mining closed at $1.82, sitting at $1.84 after hours right now. So, story of the hour here is this close candle. We're going to see if AMC actually closed at 17.84. Bro, what do you think about WAGMI and Squawk, bro? Sasan, I'm not going to lie, I've never even heard of WAGMI and Squawk, so don't know too much about WAGMI and Squawk. Hello, everyone. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. ATER up 18% on the day. Squeeze soonish. 18% for ATER. Where is ATER? Closing in the green, 589. Very nice run on ATER today. Opened up, closed at 655. That had to reload there. ATER sitting at 655, 640 after hours. Very nice close there. JB must be back in the green on that because he got in right above the $6 mark. So very, very nice run on ATER, especially if you guys have been in this for the last 2 weeks. You've already almost tripled your money. So amazing gains over there in ATER. Hopefully you guys are sitting on some gains there and ready to watch it ride. I know that Frodo is looking for the teens. Frodo is looking for a rip back into the teens. So hopefully you guys get it. That would be incredible gains, man. Incredible gains. ATER really ripping today. Good deal for anybody that's invested in that. Clay bro, I was addicted to Hokey Pokey, but I turned myself around. John Jay, man. You gotta... that's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about. John, I had to think of the thing there. BBIG, yes, closed the day slightly higher. BBIG sitting at 250 right now. Not doing too much after hours, but it did close the day about 2.5% higher. So good deal. I know you're not a financial advisor. What's your prediction for Shiba in 3 to 5 years? D. Colas. I don't know if I can necessarily come with any accuracy in a prediction, but I do believe that crypto in general should see some growth over the next 3 to 5 years. And Shiba Inu coin, if it continues on the same route that it's on right now, would see some amazing growth as well. The metaverse could really turn into something big, and if it does, I would expect that Shiba Inu coin is going to see some massive growth in price along with it. Put your right foot in, put your right foot out, do the oogie bogey, and you turn yourself about. Yeah. are doing it. Oh, Clay, bro, both are doing crazy things. Squawk came out from a Leash developer wallet trying to mimic Shiba again. Almost 85 million in volume in a few hours, and look at its chart. Pump, pump, pump. Gotta be nervous though about that, man. Anytime something's pumping like that, remember, Shiba Inu coin is not typical. So if you're looking to mimic the gains of Shiba Inu coin, going to be very difficult to do. Oh, wow, that'll be okay. I read some stuff. They are doing April 26th. Shredder, I know I missed one. You talking about Squawk, or are you talking about something else? Well, I mean, is it tower defense game? Oh, well, tower defense games, those are actually kind of fun. I used to play those on Warcraft Reign of Chaos. So, if that takes off, that could be pretty cool. What was that AMC candle? I missed the MOAS in that 1 minute. You may have, JB. We are going to see that candle may settle. So it's giving us a $17.84 close. Really, really spiked up into the close there. We're going to have to see if that candle does settle. But as of right now, that is the settled close. And we'll have to give it a couple more minutes to see if it changes. But yeah, very, very interesting volatility on that last candle. It was literally the last second of the day. So we'll have to watch AMC up there. But Shiba Inu coin bouncing back pretty nice today, sitting at 25.06. GameStop trying to fall back down after hours. Farmy falling after hours. I would imagine Farmy should have some news. If it doesn't have news after hours today, they are definitely sitting on that reverse split announcement. They had their meeting Thursday night at 10 p.m. and they still have yet to announce anything about it. So I don't know why they're sitting on that and they won't let us know what's going on. Clint, aside from stocks and crypto, what else do you have planned? Your thought about in build your personal wealth property, business plan, expand your YouTube? Yeah, so Kalani, man. No, I don't really have the desire to own any rental properties or anything like that. I know a lot of people go that route, but I don't really have any desire to own any rental properties. I have remodeled and flipped a couple houses before. That wouldn't be out of the question, man. That wouldn't be out of the question at all. But I'm having so much fun doing YouTube right now. I'm gonna see what happens with YouTube. I'm having way too much fun doing it. But I have flipped some houses in the past, so that wouldn't be out of the question to do again. I just wouldn't want to. I don't know. I would rather have the money up front doing a flip than passive income and worrying about tenants. First, what's up, Cladinho? What's going on, Simoninho? Don't stop believing. John J. Alvarez, never, man, never stop believing. There was an AMC article that just posted. They sold a ticket to Morbius. Very bullish. Wow, one ticket, man. They got it. They got it, man. One ticket sold. They're going to make a bank on that one. Simon, if you were first, I was second. It is true. Simon was first. Pika was second today. Shiba. Hey, Shiba's actually posting some good green candles right now. We like that. D-Colas. I find this one. 1,171,296.18709. How much this in dollars means? Khalifa DZ. I'm very confused by the question. E-Trade says 1748. Could be a glitch with the 48. Yeah, man, it definitely could just be an unsettled close there. We'll have to wait and see. Anybody getting some different info on AMC's close there? I would imagine that is an unsettled close at 1784 with how big of a spike up that was from 1744 to 1784 just in the last second. I would imagine that could easily be an unsettled close. Only 22 likes. Come on, peeps. Slap that like button. Bow, bang, boom, smash. Listen to John Jay and smash that like button, guys. Affleck. Frank, what's going on, Frank? How you doing, man? Kalani, load up on PSA 10. Yeah, that is good advice right there. If we could just all go out there, and I should get my Charizard graded. And if I get it graded a PSA 10, I will sell it to Logan Paul, okay? Yeah, right, dude. Why would I sell it to Logan Paul? What am I going to do with that? I'll just wear it around my neck like he wears his around his neck, and then I'll go on his show and be like, look, Logan, we've both got a Charizard. Except I'll call it a Charizard, like my grandma would call it. We both have a Charizard. Logan. Isn't this so nice? And he'd be like, yeah, dude, what's a Charizard? I'd be like, well, my grandma said Charizard, so I'm going to say Charizard. Is my ATER winning? Yes, JB, your ATER is winning right now, man. Your ATER is sitting at 637 after hours, 655 close. So very nice green candle on ATER today. Chris, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Don't know how I feel about being so late, off work, in line at the Roadhouse of Texas. That would be the Texas Roadhouse. Because anxiety down since taxes are done. Very nicely done, Chris. Knowing my luck, I did something wrong, though. Everyone's good. I'm doing great today, Chris. How are you doing? Welcome back. What am I missing? Chris, you didn't miss too much, man. You missed a wild close on AMC. We're going to see if it is an actual close or if it's just an unsettled close. So we're keeping our eyes on that right there. As far as Shiba, you didn't miss anything. Sundial, I know you get Tilray. I actually don't know what Tilray is doing today. I have not been keeping an eye on Tilray. Where is it at? Where is it at? Tilray closed red today. Tilray was down about 5% with the overall market losing today. So I don't think you missed too much, man. Very, very, I'd say, inactive day. I did not like all the red we saw. But, dude, in line at the Texas Roadhouse, man. That's what's up. What are you going to get? What are you going to get, man? We all want to know what Chris is going to eat, don't we? I want to know what Chris is going to eat, man. And thank you, Chris, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Gotta love when those taxes are done and ready to go. Also, Clay, was thinking of games that could be the foundation of the metaverse, like you were talking earlier. I like The Sims, Minecraft, and GTA would be some top ideas. Oh, yeah, dude. Sims and Minecraft are extremely popular. I have not played Grand Theft Auto, dude, probably since PlayStation 2. I don't even know if I ever played Grand Theft Auto on PlayStation 3. I did play it on PlayStation 2. Incredible. Dude, it really would be cool. And I don't know what this metaverse would look like. But I do believe if they make it extremely interactive like that, instead of just some place that you can go online and, I don't know, go say hi. Like, hi, Chris, how you doing, man, in the metaverse? If it's an actual gaming style metaverse, very similar to either Warcraft or The Sims or Minecraft and so on, I do think it would draw a ton of people in. And especially if it's got some sort of an earning aspect to it. Right, where maybe you can go on quests and win the weapons or whatever, and sell weapons and things like that. There would be a pretty big market, in my opinion, for things like that. Or you go and you win an NFT, and now you've got that NFT, and you can trade that NFT and sell that NFT. So there is a lot of potential for these games, man. And I think that if they follow through and they actually do build something epic, it's going to be very good long term. Heck yeah, Pika Pika. What did Pika say, man? I don't even know what Pika Pika said there. Pika said Kulani. Load up on those PSA 10s. Yes, Kulani. I have a dark first edition Charizard PSA 10. Let's just say it'll be my down payment for a house one day. Nice. I do not have any of my cards graded, but I do have like the original base set Charizard. Holographic, never left the sleeve since I opened it. So I don't know what that would be graded as or what it would be worth. But I think my brother's got a dark Charizard. I have one of the original Charizards, but none of our cards are graded. Mullen short interest about almost 300% right now. Going for the MOS. Oh my gosh. Buck wild. Is Mullen short interest really at 300% right now? Dude, that's wild if it's 300%. Psychology question. Do you think partaking in illegal activities, ones I can't list on here for obvious reasons, would lower real-world crime or make it normalized and increase it? Interesting. Psychology question. Do you think partaking in illegal activities, ones I can't list on here for obvious reasons, would lower real-world crime or make it normalized and increase it? What do you mean? I don't even know the premise. Like, if we participated in criminal activity and then they legalized it, because they legalized it, then it would decrease crime because it would be legalized? Oh, partaking in the metaverse. Now I gotcha. Oh no, dude! Partaking of them in the metaverse, I think they would increase them in real world. Once it becomes your normal, you're going to want to do that in the real world as well, man. I truly think that it would transfer over into this is normalized there. I don't think it would necessarily take your desire and fulfill your desire to do it in the digital world, and then you've done it there, so you don't have to worry about doing it in the real world. I think it would kind of make it, and not necessarily normalize it in the way that you wouldn't want to do it, but normalize it in the way that you would want to do it in the real world. Hold on to that. That's why you collect gold. Shots fired. Let's get it. That must be why you collect gold. I didn't see what Kalani said. I say GTA because the open world aspect. For real though, if we had superpowers in the metaverse, future is gonna be sick. Chris, yes it would, man. Yes, it would. And I don't know what superpowers in the metaverse would be like, but it would be pretty cool, to pick an avatar like a superhero, pick an avatar like a Warcraft character, or pick an avatar like a Marvel character or something, and then you could go with that. It would be pretty sweet, man. I don't miss Terraform. Don't miss it. I'm already missed it, man. I already missed it. It's AMC short interest now, or at least anyone. The last I heard, man, was still around that 20% mark. The last I heard, it hadn't changed much. Devil's advocate depends on what you're talking about. If it involves children, no. No, dude. I don't want anything illegal to involve children. Riddles. Nate. We love the riddles. Shib Squawk, Gonzo. Somebody else was talking about Squawk here a minute ago. Found a small stack of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Not sure what they're worth. My Pokemon, I clicked off. My Pokemons were stolen most likely. Definitely had Charizard in there. Dude, that would suck. I would not want my Pokemon cards to be stolen. I would not like that at all. See if we got any. No, this close is still not settled. Oh, yes, it has. So we're looking at a 1748 close here. As you guys can see, 1748 close. I don't know if this candle has updated yet, but AMC is showing a 1748 close instead of a 1784 close. So very interesting there. I forget what you said that broker was showing 1748, but that seems to be the actual close. Can you pull up the names of wallet holders? No. You can only pull up the wallets. You can't pull up the names of the wallet holders. If I turned into the Flash, first thing, robbing a bank to get my suit, and then splurge and then become a superhero. Nice, Chris. Well, there you go, man. Can the Flash? I don't know all the Flash's powers. He's just really fast, right? Would he be good at robbing a bank? I don't even know. I feel like if you could walk through walls, you'd be better at robbing a bank. Clint, you always doing live streams during business hours, just stopping by to show support. Jeffrey, man, thank you very much. Appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to click the like button. Appreciate all you guys in here right now. There's a lot of people in here at the moment. This is pretty good, guys. Glad to have you. 124 people. I know we could easily get over 100 likes today. So you believe it wouldn't scratch that itch? No. And leave you feeling less of a need to partake, but make you feel as though you may scratch yourself in public. Yes, that's what I would imagine. I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, technically you could go both ways, but I would feel like, yeah, dude, if you're going to be doing it maybe on a daily basis or something within the game, I don't think it necessarily scratches the itch. I like the way you put that. To not want to partake in it in the real world, but dude, if I'm doing it all night long, I could do it all day too. But I still don't know what we're talking about. What's going on with Shib, bro? Jeffrey, Shib is trying its best to bounce back up, man. But the overall crypto market is brutalizing the altcoin market as well. But you can get the skins on Fortnite. I'm trying to have my avatar run through the metaverse like the Flash if it gets to Free Guy level realistic. Chris, I need to watch Free Guy, but yeah, that would be amazing if one day it really does. And then has anybody watched Upload on Amazon Prime? Hey Clay, just stopped to say hello. I'm still working. Have a nice afternoon. Ajma, você também. What's going on? Hopefully you're having a great day today, Ajma. Why didn't Han Solo enjoy his steak dinner? It was chewy, but John J. Alvarez, very nice. Zachary, thank you for the super sticker. Zachary says, Thank you very much for the superhero super sticker. Oh, man, Zachary, thank you, man. Thought the Sims game, hoping on the metaverse, and hopping on the metaverse NFT train. Kalani, I like it, man. Okay, thanks, guys. It's just a curious question. Pugnacious, I got you, man. Chris, please tell me the first step to becoming a hero and promoting justice is to commit a crime. You gotta pay for that suit somewhere. Jeffrey, inform us. We need to know if the Flash would be good robbing the bank. Somebody inform me, please, because I don't know if the Flash would actually be good at robbing a bank. I mean, I guess if the vault was open, you could pop in and pop out. I don't know how quick the Flash actually is. Flash can phase through object. Science of it is kind of dumb, but it works. Also, the Flash can run through time. Come on, Clay. Chris, yeah, I did not know that the Flash could run through time, man. So he could technically time travel. I don't even like him now. I don't even like him. It's too much, man. Time travel's too much. I would imagine, and not unlike myself, between 2018 2020, that it could go either way. Yes, dude, it could always go either way, right? Saw that one, John J. I read it already. I'm here. Jeremy, glad to have you in here, man. Guys, do not forget to click the like button. We are at 51 likes right now. We've got over 100 people in here, so appreciate all the likes you guys can give. Let YouTube know we're doing a good job and having fun. You be shoveling snow. I'm going to be on White Sand Beach. I don't want to be shoveling snow, dude. I don't want to be shoveling snow. You wouldn't need to be the bank robbing Jeffrey's bank. Oh, darn it, JB, I missed it. AMC trading sideways after hours, guys. 1748, sitting right there at that close. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting flat at 2,500 points per coin. GameStop sitting at 141.46 right now. Farmy sitting at 1258, 1257 after hours. No action there. Everybody eagerly anticipating the release of the results from the shareholder meeting that they had on Thursday night at 10 p.m. I have no idea why they have not released the results of that meeting yet. So, investors there and eagerly anticipating the results of the meeting. We've got Sundial down slightly after hours, really moving back and forth, down 0.1%. Mullen Auto got hit very hard today, sitting at $1.83 after hours. CEI sitting at $1.04 after hours. The SPY actually performing very well after hours right now, 437.97. BBIG up 0.5% after hours, as well as Highcroft up about 0.5% after hours right now. So after hours, not too much going on, but very interesting. The SPY is outpacing a lot of the small cap stocks. Flash's number one power is to run through time, but you'd like it because he's not supposed to, but also ends up having to. Chris, I don't know if I'd like it, man. Time travel stresses me out, dude. I don't want to be stressed. Bro, you look like Gordon Levitt. Lewis, you're not the first person to say that, man. You're not the first person to say that, but I don't really know if that's true. We'll have to call him up. We'll have to get him on video chat one day and see if we look the same side by side. Snow is gone now, but it's 40 miles per hour wind with a wind chill of 33. Dude, are we ever going to have springtime? Is springtime ever going to arrive? Think you've been bamboozled. Oh, man. I hate to be bamboozled. JB, I hate being... Does anybody actually like being bamboozled? Being bamboozled is one of the worst things ever. I don't want to be bamboozled. Become a bro. Hit that like button. Do it. Listen to Danny, guys. Click that subscribe button. Join the channel. Become a bro. You guys know what? We are here every single day. What are we doing? We're here every single day, and we are... Somebody finish that sentence. We're here every single day, and we are... Come on. Clay, watch your last video. What are your thoughts on a recession? Will there be one? Giovanni. You know... I think it is. I have not seen the latest GDP release, okay? I don't think that it's impossible to have a negative GDP. I don't know when we would get there, though. And even if we do, I don't think it's that tragic to go into a period of a recession. I think it would be much more difficult and harder on the economy if we see inflation spiral out of control like it is doing. And we talked about it in the previous live stream. You go to the grocery store, dude, your groceries are 50% more expensive than you were paying a couple months ago. I know they are. You go to a restaurant, you're paying at least 20% more for the same stinking food that you had a couple months ago, man. The restaurants are actually more expensive right now. They had to change their menus. You're going to the gas station, you're paying almost 100 times, oh God, no, 100% more than you were for gas just a couple of months ago. Everything is more than 8.5% more expensive. And with that being said, with the Fed raising interest rates, I've seen some stuff posted today that by 2023, they're expecting interest rates on mortgages to be well over 6%, and by 2025, well over 8% for mortgage rates. So it could really have a hard impact on people's lives if these interest rates move up. It's going to benefit those with cash that can invest it in things like bonds and so on. And the stock market, right? If the stock market is able to compete with the bond market at that point. But it's going to be tough, man. If people aren't sitting on cash, it is going to be very difficult to borrow money at ridiculous rates. And I think that's going to be one of the worst aspects of all of this coming out, like spiraling out of control. But I would say yes, man. I would say we do have some tough times ahead of us. I just don't know how tough they're going to be. Clearbro, when the Flash time travels, he creates Flashpoint. Ryan, see, that's what I'm talking about. I don't know what a Flashpoint is. He's messing up the timeline there. But, yeah, it's the kind of stuff that stresses me out. I'm just happy to be included. Parties, stream chats, bamboozling, orgies, cold rituals, anything, really. He's glad to be a part of it. Devil's advocate. Let's get bamboozled together, growing our portfolios together. I feel like I'm in an AA meeting. JB was the only one to answer that. Come on. For Devil's Advocate, if I was the Flash, I'd plan to rob a bank. I'll run to the future to see how it works, then go back and do it that way. Dude, if that's true, if Flash can actually do that, he's way too powerful. Kind of like how Doctor Strange saw 14 million ways and they all lost and he couldn't change the thinking and looked at the first time they won, problem solved. It's dangerous, man. When you can see the future like that, it's too dangerous. Man, I'm in manufacturing. I haven't seen it this bad since 2008. Of course, it's supply chain issues. Yeah, Tim, man, it's all supply chain issues, right? And I don't know if it's all supply chain issues, okay? And regardless of how you guys feel about stimulus measures, when you print, I think like 40% of the entire global supply of the US dollar in a couple years stretch, clearly you're going to see inflation implications in that. So I don't know what the answer is. I don't know. I mean, it does seem like we're going to have to go through some pretty tough times to level out and get back to where we were. Big companies are price gouged. Nah, I don't know if big companies necessarily are price gouging, though, man. I do think that we've got a lot of inflation because of the stimulus checks that were out there. And yes, because of supply chain issues as well. I do think that it goes into it. I'd be an anti-hero like Benham, I guess. Like Clay said, gotta pay for that suit some way. Chris, yes you do, man. I guess you could, like, solve a problem and then get rewarded instead of stealing it to pay for this suit. I guess you could solve a problem first. But hey, man, either way, it works. My tummy keeps inflating. Oh, but that's because I'm a bodybuilding. Come on, inflation. John Jay, man, get that bodybuilding going. CEO said they'll leverage another $70 million of the stock at 10x this time. Sausage. Adam Aaron, what are we talking about? Tim. Facture men? No, he just manufactures. He doesn't facture men. He manufactures. Reverse Flash goes back in time to kill the Flash as a kid. The Flash saves his kid self, but his mom dies. Later on, the Flash goes back in time to save his mom, creating a new timeline. And then which one does he live, dude? Which one does he live? Now that it's all messed up, which one does he live? I invested a lot of money in Shiba Inu. Will I come up winning in the end? I've been investing in it since May 8th, 2021. 5-year plan. Yeah, Giovanni, man. Regardless of Shiba's innovations, regardless of Shiba Inu coin continuing to grow, I do think that crypto, when it starts to rebound in general, along with the overall market, right? When people stop being afraid of these stupid inflation and interest rates, then the overall market is going to see the transition back from risk-off assets to risky assets, stocks, crypto, and so on. And when that happens, yes, I would absolutely expect Shiba Inu coin to rise in value from there. Claymano, what's up, 7/8? If we get into recession and dollar costs more, could there be a catalyst for a squeeze since shorts may be margin called and the dollar costing more? Thoughts? So 7 apes, maybe, but like I see what you're saying there, but I would say any losses for the shorts in a situation like that would be made up for and hedged by the actual stock price going down, or the shorts and puts that they have on other shares gaining in value, because the dollar, I guess, a company's earnings are less at that point, and therefore their stock price is going down, and the hedge funds being short are gaining in value in that aspect. So I would say they're most likely hedged for a situation like that. Sup, man? What are your thoughts on Hedera project? Output 1.9. I actually don't know anything about the Hedera project, dude. So to answer your question, obviously I haven't, and thank you for letting me know. Oh, Pika, I literally announced it in the chat and on Twitter this morning. Devil's Advocate, you see the Batman came out? Yes, he did see the Batman is on HBO Max. Devil's Advocate, when I was active duty or doing contractor tours, I fractured a whole bunch of men. Nice, Tim. Nice. All I know today is the last day to enroll in your child's college funds. Wife be like, okay. I'm like, yeah, sure, let's do it, and then pay in full after the fact. Shredda, it sounds like something you're interested in, man. I say let's get started. Bro, don't miss bag next Grimace. We got billion in a bag next Shiba. Strong community. Billion in a bag. Is the token called billion in a bag? He lives in Flashpoint, the new timeline, for a bit. Realizes Bruce Wayne was the one to die. His mom goes crazy, turns into the Joker. His dad goes mad and turns into killing. What? Chris, this is the kind of stuff that stresses me out, man. This is the kind of stuff that stresses me out. This is just alternate realities. I don't like them. We all have to carry on and do our day jobs. Sausage, man. Unfortunately or fortunately, whether or not you like it, yes, that is the motto there. You must carry on, do not give up, and our times will come. Bag to the moon. We got billion in a bag. We got some bag holders in here. Billion in a bag. Really, really wanting to promote. I like it. Danelle, why you retracting messages? I know what I'm watching tonight. What are you watching tonight, Danelle? Batman? Yes, billion in a bag. Check chart and chat community. Oh, where's the chat community? Telegram? Mullen Auto setting up to explode. Let's get it viral on social media tonight. Short interest at an all-time high. Angel, they're telling me Mullen Auto's short interest is around 300%. Is that true? I do not know what it's at. Is it 300%? A billion in a bag is a 10,000x gem. Dude, 10,000 for every dollar you invest? That sounds way too good to be true. All these Mullen people are correct. Let's go, Cassie. Unfortunately, I don't own any Mullen Auto right now. So if it explodes, I'm going to miss that one. A billion in a bag, 1% BUSD rewards, a liquidity pool burned, website, social, CG, it's CoinMarketCap soon. Oh man, not even on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, you could probably see a decent bounce once it hit CoinMarketCap there. Billion bags, the best. Oh yeah, man, we love it. Billion baggers, we love them in here. Thank you guys. Hey, billion baggers, by the way, if you're coming in here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. We are actually going to require you to hit the subscribe button. We're going to require you to hit the subscribe button. Billion baggers, promote it all you want. All you got to do is click that subscribe button first. Can you tell me what is wrong with leveraging on AMC from 1730 to 1734? What do you mean, sausage? What do you mean? What is wrong with leveraging from 1730 to 1734? I don't think anything is necessarily wrong with it. We got an interesting move up here in farming. It makes me wonder if any news is coming out there. We're going to keep an eye on this. 1280. I don't know if we got any news yet. I figured it would go a little crazier than that. Why are we going subs only? Oh, Chris, just because the billion baggers, if they want to... There you go. If the billion baggers want to promote billion baggers, billion bag coin or whatever it is, they got to subscribe to the channel. Wait, other than Shiba, what major crypto do you feel bullish on? You know what? I like Solana. I like Solana as a major crypto. I like Ethereum as just a long-term project that everybody's going to continue building on. And then, to be completely honest, kind of like almost a wild card. Smooth Love Potion, man. Smooth Love Potion in the Axie Infinity game. There was a lot of hype surrounding it for a while, and then it really sold off in value. And I believe it's somewhere around 2 cents per coin right now, and it was around like 40 cents per coin. So Smooth Love Potion could be another major gainer if that game regains popularity. So that's another one to watch out for. But I also like the exchange coins, Binance and Crypto.com coin, because they pay some really nice staking fees. So, and I don't think that they're going to be going anywhere. I think those exchanges are going to stay around. So I would say like those 4 that I just mentioned could be decent longer term holds and watching them grow, with a wild card being that Smooth Love Potion. I feel like Shiba, a bag, very amazing, bro. Slow, hard moon. I like slow, hard moons, dude. I'm telling you right now, I do like slow, hard moons. Has anyone heard of crypto called MOF? I have not. Yo, España. We got España in the house? What's going on, man? Honestly, I didn't know anything about the chat. I was too stuck on thinking about the flash and flash. Oh, Chris, it's all right, man. It's all right. I start to worry about that stuff too. And when I start to worry about time travel, it's no good, man. How much Shibi this year? Maisen-san, and I don't know how high Shiba Inu coin is going to go. Hopefully it burns a couple zeros. I would love for it to burn 1 or 2 zeros this year and see a major gain. I don't see that happening if the overall crypto market is unable to rebound, though. I truly think that we're not going to see major gains in Shiba unless we see major gains in the overall crypto market. Header at Hashgraph is the future 10,000 TPS. Shib Squawk has a lot of potential, like 221 holders. Yeah, dude. With only 221 holders, it would have some major potential. You are right on that. Hey, yo, Simon, my friend. How's it going? Spaniard in the house, baby. What's going on, Spaniard? How are you, bro? Shima, doing good. How are you doing? What are we getting deleted for, man? You guys are getting deleted before I even see the messages come across. Fast deletions, Molecular Future. That's the one. I promise you. We got so many coins out there. I don't even know which one it is. Just chilling, listening to our bro Clay. Simonino. That is the best thing that you can do, Zino. Guys, AMC sitting flat, just bouncing back and forth between 1749 and 1742 after hours right now. Currently sitting at 1742, down about 1/3%. Shiba Inu coin really treading this 2,500 point per coin level. GameStop bouncing back and forth around $141. We've got Farmy sitting at 1277 after hours right now. Not too much in volume. 0 shares being traded this minute right here. 0 shares in the last 1 minute. Prague sitting at 99 cents even. We've got Sundial sitting break even at 53.56 after hours. Mullen Auto break even at $1.84. CEI down 2% after hours at $1.03. The SPY up 0.25% at 439.19. BBIG break even after hours at 251. And Highcroft Mining up 0.5% at $1.83 after hours. So not too much going on, and there's a nice spike down in Farmy going from 1277 down to 1250. We've got that all-time intraday low there. So we're going to have to see what's going on with all this volatility after hours. 2,000 shares after only 10 shares being traded that minute. So very interesting what we got going on. Bouncing all the way back up to 1277 now. So we got, see, the volatility's kicking in. Dang, the Russian bots. No, we don't like the bots. Come on, guys. Someone needs to slap Grandma. She's tripping. Man, is Grandma tripping again? Check $1 billion in a bag. Please, bro. You need ads. Shima. Where do I check it? If it's not on CoinMarketCap, where do you want me to check it? Is it a Binance Smart Chain token? You want to see it on PooCoin or what? Mods are working hard today. I like it when the mods are working hard. Clay, you really think Shiba can lose 2 zeros this year? I don't see it. Maybe 1, but not 2. Not burning enough for 2, I think. Yeah, so Giovanni. No. I don't see it losing 2 zeros unless we have a major run in the overall crypto market. If we have a major run in the overall crypto market, and I'm talking, Ethereum busting through 5,000 and testing maybe $10,000, Bitcoin just rolling through 70 and hitting $100,000 plus. In that case, yes, I don't think it would be impossible for Shiba Inu coin to go on a sick run. But in the face of inflation, in the face of interest rates, in the face of the crypto market pulling back like it is, I would say no. It's going to be very difficult. Like investors accepting the fact that we're seeing higher interest rates. If we get to that level of confidence, I do think that Shiba can break another zero without Bitcoin and Ethereum hitting all-time highs. But I still think that we would need a nice rebound, not necessarily setting record highs, but a nice rebound in the overall crypto market to break at least 1-0. Now, I'm not a robot. Beep, boop, beep, boop, bop. Oh my God, Danel's not a robot. Beep, boop, beep, bop. Yeah, Danel's a robot for sure. Bro, where is better to buy Shiba? DexCX, Robinhood, thank you. So, AR. It depends on what you want to do with it, right? I don't think it's bad to buy Shiba Inu coin on a place like Robinhood or Webull. Right now, Robinhood and Webull, you don't have crypto wallets. So you're going to be paying a spread to buy your Shiba Inu coin. But you can honestly, dude, you're not paying any gas fees, right? So you can trade 1,000 times a day if you want, and you're only paying the spread there. So that's a pretty good place to buy if you're looking to do some short-term trading or get in, get out, get in, get out, get in, get out, add to your portfolio, get back out, try to reduce your average and things like that. So an exchange like Robinhood or Webull would probably be good for that. If you're looking to just buy some and hold some, I don't think that there's a problem at all with centralized exchanges. But if you're all about DeFi, you got to go on DeFi then, man. Shiba Swap, hold it in a Trust Wallet, hold it in a MetaMask, and you could even cold store it if you wanted to. I guess it's all in what you view as a value. BBIG, massive squeeze coming. Alan, I don't know the squeeze numbers on BBIG, but I do hear a lot of people very optimistic about it with it's a tied dividend, right? Isn't that what BBIG has? Is a tied dividend? Seems like a bot invasion. Well, the numbers are high, so if you guys are bots out there invading, just be nice. Just came on here. What's your thoughts on AMC? I probably have already missed it. So, Terrence, AMC got hit pretty hard again today, like the overall market did. It tried to bounce back towards the end of the day, but right now, I'm going to be completely honest, man. With investors so scared of inflation and interest rates, I think it's going to be a little bit more difficult to watch stocks and meme stocks especially go on a run. I think investors are showing their more conservative side, and it might last a little longer than people would hope for. When people were getting stimulus checks all throughout the end of 2020, 2021, and they were pouring them into the stock market, we saw a lot of gains in riskier stocks. So it was a perfect storm for the meme stock culture to build itself up and the penny stock culture to build itself up. And without that type of liquidity in people's portfolios, it might be a little bit more difficult to see some runs. Happy late Easter, bro. Bro, I have a fire idea for a collab. Check Twitter. Lottery stocks. All right, I will check that I'll check it after the live stream. He says, oops. Dude, no oops. You're all good. What kind of a collab are you talking about? Live stream or video? Happy Easter from New Zealand. Caleb O'Brien. Happy Easter to you. Bop, bibbidi bop, boom, bop, boo bop, bop. Cassie is also a robot. Danelle and Cassie are robot friends. Oh, craps, the bots again. Oh, no, we got the bots in here. Danelle, me neither. You guys, nobody's a robot. Molecular future is the next Bitcoin, but nobody will remember I said this. Sausage. Yes, we will. Pika will. Pika's got a very good memory for things like that, so Pika will definitely remember. Clay's milkshake full of it when she says that Shiba will burn trillions a year. If so, how? So that was Shib Queenie that said that, not milkshake. But no, not necessarily full of it, man. What Shib Queenie did there was she just ran some hypotheticals, okay? And she said, based on the numbers that we've done in the past, if those numbers continue in the future and people burn Shiba Inu coin at the same rate that they burned on Shiboshis, if they burn on the same rate on these new metaverse lands, we're going to burn like 88 or 200 billion or something like that. If Shibarium, if the amount of people that currently trade start trading on Shibarium and there's a 1% burn integrated, then, you know, that's going to be another something trillion coins being burnt. And there was something else in there too. Maybe something on Shiba Swap. I forget what the other one was. But no, if those hypotheticals do play out, then she's not full of it, right? They absolutely would be burning trillions of coins. Now, the hard part to remember is if we really do burn trillions of coins, the market cap of Shiba is going to drastically drop, okay? The market cap of Shiba would, if we burnt half the coins right now, it would drop from like $12 billion to $6 billion. If we burnt 90% of the supply, it's going to go to a $1 billion market cap if the price doesn't rise. And if the price doesn't rise in line with the coins dropping and people see that market cap falling, they're going to think that Shiba Inu coin is, you know, losing so much value that it might cause them to sell off. That's going to be a problem. And then another problem is the top 49 holders own over half of the remaining coins. So even if you and I burnt all of our coins and everybody in here burnt all of our coins, we would only be able to burn about 200 trillion coins. And then the top 100 people would own the rest. If they never burnt their coins, we would have zero and they would have it all. So there are some hurdles ahead that we'd have to get through. And these are things to think about, man. Nice haircut, Clay, bro. Spaniard, thank you very much. Cut it on Saturday, man. Have you heard about the blockchain replacement? No, I have not, Melamamas. I have not. Either or, I was thinking interview your thoughts on AMC or vice versa. We could talk about how we go about it. Yeah, lottery stocks. I'm not opposed to that, man. I'm not opposed to that. I think it would probably be easier on a live stream. I mean, honestly, than editing a video together. Although that wouldn't be terribly difficult either, just to do some questions. But if it was going to be live, it would probably be easier to do on a live stream. HVT is another potential coin. Sausage. HVT. I do not know about that one. Oh, what? Muscalt fam in the house. We got Muscalt fam in the house. Makes me think of bop, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, me too, man. Me too, Danelle. Everybody's a robot today, though. My goodness. Farmy sitting at 12:48 after hours right now. No news from the shareholder meeting. I guess they're just going to continue leaving us in the dark on that one. Bouncing back. I must have heard me talking about it. Bouncing back after hours in this minute right here. We got 229 shares being traded. And it's sitting at 12.65 right now. Would love a news release on that. And I am not talking about a stupid... Well, they got a new order in Egypt. Wow, congratulations. No terms released. We want to know what the results of the vote were, man. Being a shareholder, you guys got to tell me the results of the shareholder meeting. Come on. Thanks, Tanel. Now I have that song running through my head. Good looking out, Pally. Glowing Newness. Thank you for the super sticker. Glowing Newness. Glowing Newness. Glowing Newness. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Glowing Newness. Absolutely appreciate that super sticker there. Hopefully I did a good job imitating that one. If you guys don't know, I do imitate all of the super stickers. So Glowing Newness, hopefully that works. Tim, you're welcome. Everybody always loves it when you get a song stuck in their head, don't they? We've got AMC trading dead sideways after hours, guys. Sitting at 17.46. The close was at 17.48. AMC. Shiba Inu coin bouncing back down a little bit, 24.93. GameStop sitting steady after hours, 141.68. Farmy is sitting at 12.70 after hours right now. GameStop, talked about GameStop Prague sitting at $1 per share. Sundial sitting at 53.56. Mullen Auto is sitting at $1.86. CEI sitting at $1.04, really barcoding back and forth after hours. The SPY is up 0.25% after hours. BBIG break even at 251, and Hycroft Mining up 1.5% at $1.85 per share. So not too much activity going on after hours right now. We should see some more news releases. What is ATER doing? Is it running, or did it slow down after hours? After a beautiful day there. After a beautiful run today, ATER is sitting at $6.38 after hours. Still not bad. Still not bad at all. Above that $6 line, I would hope you guys, man, I hope you guys make it to the teens. That would be nuts. That would be a beautiful run for everybody that is in ATER. My little sister went to a few Hanson concerts. We like to tease her about her crush on him. Well, Cassie. Nothing wrong with teasing a little sister. I'm very serious what older siblings are for. Yes, your opinion. Do you think AMC will skyrocket within the next 2 or 3 months? Terrence, I'm going to tell you, you probably got a better chance of flipping a coin and just getting a yes or no, because I am hopeful that it will squeeze or that it will rocket in the next 2 or 3 months. If you're asking me if I think the overall market is going to rebound in the next couple of months, and I do think that there will be a correlation between AMC going up and the overall market going up. If you're asking me if the overall market is going to rebound, I would have to respond with, why would it? Now, that's tough because, we're going to have inflation and interest rate concerns, and I don't see those going away. The Russia and Ukraine concerns, I could see settling down and stopping within the next couple of months. If they don't try to bring any of these lockdown concerns over here following Russia, then I think we would be in the clear with that. Now, it would get more difficult with how much of an emphasis and how much fear they try to strike into people with inflation and interest rates. I think it is, like, it warrants a little bit of uncertainty and doubt and fear. I'm not going to lie. But I guess how far out of control would it spiral would be the question. And I don't see that resolving itself within the next couple of months. Pika! Thank you very much, Pika. YouTube will take 30% of this and taxes 50% of the rest. We love taxes. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. Yes, YouTube will take about 30% of that, and then I will pay taxes on the remaining. But we gotta support. We just gotta pay all the taxes. We gotta give all the taxes there. Pika, thank you very much for reminding me how much YouTube and the tax man likes to take out. Nuno Sardinia, boom, Nuno. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Nuno. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Nuno. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Mr. Sardinia, thank you very much for the super sticker, man. Really appreciate all of you guys today. Well, here's my Coinbase wallet showing the correct balance for the coin I bought this morning. I think it's a Coinbase issue, but wondering if anyone else is having the same problem. Quentin, possibly. I have not looked at Coinbase. If anybody else is having an issue with Coinbase balances, help Quentin out there and let him know. In my opinion, I think Ford will skyrocket soon. Terrence, probably will, man, because I had some Ford options that just expired last week. So yeah, it probably will rocket pretty soon. Hey, is summertime good for crypto and stocks? You know what, Giovanni? A lot of people follow like the Stock Traders Almanac, and if you're following a Stock Traders Almanac, you can look at the historical performance, and you can see that in the last 70 years, it was up, 40 times in July and down 30 times in July. So July has a historical positive. If you're talking about an election year, then it's typically a negative July. There are so many different ways that you can look at it and try to base, summer's a good time. Winter's a bad time. Santa Claus rallies come towards the end of December. There's so many things that you can look at like that, and they do have a sense of accuracy because If the stock market has gone up 60 out of 80 times in May, maybe there's a better chance of having a good May. But dude, with everything going on that's affecting the market, who the heck knows if Russia's going to do anything in May that would cause it to go down this year? Who the heck knows if, they're going to try and lock people down again? Maybe not in the U.S., but maybe somewhere else, and it's going to affect the supply chain. It's very difficult, at least for me, to base future performance solely on past performance. And I think that's kind of what that question implies there, is that are summers typically better? Yeah, man, they might be typically better, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be better. Pika, that's highway robbery. It's crazy. Taxation is a theft. Yes, dude, taxation is out of control. Pug, who could that be? Oh, someone spent much more money on the MP channel this morning. On the MP channel. Matt Perry channel? Is that what we're talking? Before we hit $35 a share soon. Terrence, I hope so. Would have liked to have had those calls if it ran up to $35, but I do not. 20 more likes for Clay's new haircut. Come on, peeps. Listen to John J. 20 more likes. Guys, we've had over 100 people in here the entire live stream, and you guys are 82 likes. Do not forget to click that like button and get it above 100 likes. What are you doing? AR, ape it out. How are you so confident about AMC squeezing if the wait has been so long? So, AR, I'm not confident about how high AMC will squeeze, right? I don't know how high AMC is going to squeeze. I do feel fairly confident in the actual apes who have been here for this long, willing to hold out for a while. But as far as, like the average retail investor watching AMC double or triple in value and being so tempted to take it that they do, yeah, I do think that they're going to fall into that temptation and that they will take their profit. But I am confident in the short shares having to cover because they have to cover. I mean, that's what the rule is, man. They borrowed it, and if AMC does not go bankrupt, which right now I do not see AMC stock going bankrupt, but if they have a hard hit to their revenue, or if there are future lockdowns or anything ridiculous like that, then it would be a different story. So barring bankruptcy, the hedge funds have to cover. As far as the squeeze is concerned, I am waiting for the short shares to cover, which they have to do. That's why I'm confident. But I'm not confident in what that price is going to be. So therefore, I'm basing my exit criteria on when the short shares have covered or are covering. And regardless of the price being $50, $500, $5,000, I will be basing that decision on, what the short shares outstanding are. What the reported short shares outstanding are. If you believe there's a billion synthetics, you're going to have to make a different decision than I am, because unless they report those synthetics, then I'm not going to be basing my decision on any synthetic. Strictly the reported short shares. Let's see. Pika Power, thank you very much for the trees. Thank you very much. I don't know if that's a tree or not, but Pika, thank you very much for the super sticker. That was a tree, and hopefully I imitated that tree very well. It looks exactly like that tree would be doing to me. So that's the first thing that popped in my mind. So that's what I did. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. Just my opinion. I see AMC and Ford being in the $30 range. Just my opinion. Very nice. Yeah, look, guys. Nobody has to worry about saying just my opinion, not financial advice, all that stuff. None of us are holding ourselves out to be financial advisors. And in order to rely on somebody being a financial advisor, come on, that person's got to hold themselves out to be a financial advisor. And nobody's doing that. Totally spaced out. Shredder! It's all right, man. It's all right to be spaced out. Thank you, bro. AR. Got you, man. Got you. Clearbro, you're a happy tree. I am a happy tree, Pika. I am a happy tree. Thank you for making me a happy tree. RSI hitting down and market recovering. Gosh, dude. We really need the market to recover, though. The market got hit today. Down slightly. The Nasdaq had a pretty rough day today, spending most of the day down between 0.5% and 1% before trying to run back at the end of the day. Stock tip, APA. Check out APA, guys. I'm a financial advisor since 1998. John J. Alvarez. Good deal, man. Good deal. Then you can market yourself as being able to give financial advice, and somebody could reasonably rely upon you to give them financial advice. Goodbye, everyone. Have a great day. What? Until the next time, everybody, what's your question? Clay Bro, what's going on, Clay Bro? Guys, it's not me. What's going on, Clay Bro? How you doing, man? Zachary, thank you very much for the super chat. Do you think inflation will cause whales to sell crypto and move to bonds? Zachary, no. Okay? And let me tell you why as we end here. I do not think that crypto whales are going to move to bonds. I think that these crypto whales that have been in crypto basically from the start or for the last 5 to 10 years. You know, picking up Ethereum at $5 a coin, picking up Bitcoin at 5, 10, 100, $200 a coin, you know, getting in early on these cryptos made them whales. And they are holding those cryptos, and I would imagine continue to hold those cryptos because that's the strategy that made them become a whale in the first place. And I don't think that they're going to cash out hundreds of millions of dollars or tens of millions of dollars in the crypto that they've spent the last decade holding just to buy a bond and wait for the next crypto rally. If anything, I would say they move to a stable coin, but I would imagine, Zach, that they keep it in the crypto market and not move to bonds. Yes, it could be a stable coin, but I don't see them leaving crypto. But, guys, it is 5 o'clock. So get your name in the chat right now. We'll get some shout-outs going on. We will have videos in 2 hours, videos in 3 hours. Make sure to keep an eye out for those, 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you in advance for watching it, clicking the like button, sharing it somewhere, stock twits. If you guys don't have a following anywhere and you want to share it just to help out, make sure to share it somewhere. All of that good stuff. Let's get these shout-outs going on, and then we got videos coming up pretty soon. Zachary, man, thank you for the super chat. Pika, thanks for the super chat. Chris, thank you for the super chat today. All you guys that sent super chats, absolutely appreciate it. Slart, see you later. Tim, Super Show, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Danelle, enjoy your evening. Giovanni, John J. Alvarez, Crazy Kitty, Mellow Mamas, Pika Power, peace out to you. Danelle, Terrence, see you later. Samanino, see you later, man. Enjoy your evening. Pika Power, John J. Shredder, Jay, see you later. Terrence, see ya. Slart, see ya. Meta, Mark, John J. Shredder, Abdul, Tim, Melamamas, Shredder, AR, SD, if you're in here, see you later. Stephanie, if you're in here, enjoy your evening. Lauren, haven't seen you in a while, but if you're in here listening, enjoy your evening as well. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, baby, keep dabbing on them if you're in here as well. All you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.